Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. So let's begin with the Hindu articles today, which are important for UPSC CSE exam. The first article is on page number 1. Moscow preparing for likely visit by Modi, say Putin. Important नहीं है, but we will study the Russia and India agreements. What agreement has been done by Russia and India, जैसे S-400 हुआ था, BrahMos हुआ था in defense, even in trade we purchase oil from Russia. So ये सब हम discuss करेंगे in this article. Second article, analyzing महाराष्ट्र वाटर क्राइसिस. वाटर क्राइसिस देखा गया है इस साल हर स्टेट में, बिकॉज लास्ट ईयर लानिनो आया था और इसके कारण वाटर स्ट्रेस हुआ है और इसके इम्पैक्ट भी जानेंगे इस आर्टिकल में. क्रेडिट प्रोफाइल हर्ट कैसी हुई है. लेट्स गो विथ नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल. पेज नंबर 10 पे, सेम पेज पे, विल द अग्निपथ स्कीम बी रिवैम्प्ड. अग्निपथ स्कीम क्या है, उनके एज क्राइटेरिया 17.5 to 21 ईयर्स और सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस कैसा है, सर्विस अपॉर्चुनिटी क्या है, बेनिफिट्स क्या मिलेंगे, ये सब हम देखेंगे इस आर्टिकल में अग्निपथ वाले. पेज नंबर 12, अर्बन अफेयर्स मिनिस्ट्री टू रिवैम्प अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग स्कीम. अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग स्कीम में प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना देखेंगे, राजीव आवास योजना डिस्कस करेंगे और वेरियस टाइप ऑफ हाउसिंग स्कीम्स which is run by the particular state. We will discuss this all schemes in this article. Page number 14, Jal Shakti Ministry conceive new project to water deficit in Jal Jeevan Mission. जल जीवन मिशन के इनिशिएटिव्स देखा जाए तो what are the initiatives like universal access to water, source sustainability, quality assurance, community participation, capital capacity building and water conservation. This all we will discuss in this article. Defense Ministry IDX Defense Ministry signed 350 contract with IDEX. So what is IDEX? IDX stands for Innovation for Defense Excellence and Miniature Satellite. उसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि स्मॉल सैटेलाइट अप टू 150 kgs पेलोड कैसे बनाया गया है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट किससे किया गया है और उसके जो मेजर है वो डिस्कस करेंगे. के शेप रिकवरी फ्यूलिंग सिमिलर टू ट्रेंड टू इन्फ्लेशन. सो इसमें we will discuss what is inflation is and what is K type inflations, like characteristics like divergent impact, बिजनेस में क्या प्रॉब्लम होगा, एंड के शेप इन्फ्लेशन इज समथिंग लाइक दिस, लाइक ऐसे इन्फ्लेशन चल रहा है, कोई प्राइस इम्प्रूव कर रही है और किसी के इन्फ्लेशन के कारण कोई प्राइस बहुत घट रही है, तो एक ऐसा के बन रहा है. तो वी विल डिस्कस इन दिस आर्टिकल. आई हैव सम ऑफ द डायग्राम्स मैं डिस्कस करूंगा. इंडिया मस्ट फोकस ऑन रिड्यूसिंग इन्फ्लेशन टू 4%. ये दो साथ में ही चलेंगे. फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री मस्ट रेज रोड टेप आउटले FIEO. What is road tape? So it's remission of duties and taxes on export products. So we will discuss in detail. India external debts rises 39.7 billion to 663.8 billion dollar. RBI डेटा. तो RBI ये एक्सटर्नल डेप्ट काउंट कैसे करता है, we will watch this article and we'll discuss this in detail. Cotton consumption second highest in 10 years, say ministries. Okay, तो ओवरऑल हमारे पास आज 12 आर्टिकल है. So let's start reading with first article. Moscow preparing for likely visit by Modi, says Putin aide. In what could be the first visit since after the Ukraine war, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to travel to Moscow in coming week to hold bilateral talks with Russian President Vladimir Putin under the much delayed annual summit mechanism that has been placed since 2000 but suspended for past few years. तो देखा जाए इस अंदाज में कि ओवरऑल एक बायलैटरल ट्रेड है आफ्टर यूक्रेन वॉर एंड प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया इज गोइंग टू विजिट देयर. सो टिल नाउ व्हाट trade has been done in defense as well as in the products which we import. So overall मैं आपको सारी इंफॉर्मेशन दूंगा. So let's begin with defense first. जैसे S-400 सिस्टम हमने परचेस किया था रशिया से. It's like air defense system and India signed this deal with Russia in 2018 despite the objection of United States of America. ये बहुत बड़ी बात है कि लाइक USA ने ऑब्जेक्शन लिया था, still we have done this deal successfully. Military equipment such as Sukhoi jets, like Sukhoi jet हमने परचेस किया था, as well as in nuclear energy, cooperation in nuclear energy, कुंडकुलम न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट में डेवलप करने के लिए रशिया ने हेल्प की थी. We have some space collaboration with Russia. मेरे पास पेन नहीं है इसलिए थोड़ा राइटिंग अजीब आता है. So Indian rocket carrying Russian payloads. We have launched Russian small satellites. Space collaboration, economic collaboration in like machineries, pharmaceuticals or multiple sectors, oil, plan begins for bilateral meeting. हाँ यही है और कुछ है नहीं. Let's go with the next article. Analyzing Maharashtra water crisis. Different region of water stress. Why sugar prone has not suited a region with less rainfall, rain shadow effects. हाँ तो यहाँ पे हम एग्रीकल्चर रिलेटेड बात करेंगे, जैसे शुगर केन या फिर कोई और फसल जो है जिसको इम्पैक्ट किया गया है, और व्हाट इज रेन शैडो इफेक्ट ये डिस्कस करेंगे हम इस आर्टिकल में. So the water crisis in Maharashtra has been a persistent issue from last very like few years. So what are the causes? Like erratic monsoon, drought prone areas such as ये सब महाराष्ट्र ड्रॉ करे जाए तो यहाँ पे like हाँ. So this is Maharashtra. दिस इज वेस्टर्न घाट्स, और ये जो एरिया है वो ड्रॉट प्रोन एरिया में आता है, विदर्भा. Why this water depletion is going on, like over extraction of water for agriculture and urban consumption, which is reducing the water availability in India. Infrastructure challenges, the distribution of water and the storage water has been decreased. One more phenomena plays an important role is the climate change. The weather pattern has been changed, unpredictability in rainfall affecting water availability. So let's start reading this article. After the deficit monsoon in last year, Maharashtra government declared many parts the state drought hit to be drought hit, and according to the this water crisis, like tankers have been provided for drinking water and irrigation facilities. What is rain shadow effect? Rain shadow effect. Okay, let me manage. Marathwada lies in the rain shadow effect region of Western Ghats. When a moist wind from Arabian encounters this mountain, they rises up. Uh, this is Western Ghat, and this is coastal area. This is coastal area, Western coast. And what happened? This air rises up. To rise up करने के लिए वो अब क्लाउड जो होते हैं वो अपना रेन यहीं पे रिलीज कर देते ताकि वो राइज अप हो चुके। इसके कारण जो महाराष्ट्र है, ये वेस्टर्न घाट, यहाँ पर वाटर स्कैरसिटी होती है क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द वाटर इज रिलीज्ड बाय द क्लाउड इन दिस कोस्टल पार्ट ऑफ वेस्टर्न घाट. So this rise causing heavy rainfall up to 2000 to 4000 millimeter on the western side. Maharashtra, when Western and Maharashtra and Marathwada, they lost most of the moisture, leaving Marathwada much drier, 600 to 800 millimeter. 2016 study by IIT Gandhinagar research said climate change is worsening the situation in central Maharashtra. The region has experienced an increased trend in drought severity and frequency of late. As a result, Marathwada and North Karnataka has emerged a second driest region in India after Rajasthan. What are the effects of this rain shadow effect and water crisis? Like agriculture practices are now best suited when there is a low rainfall. Sugar can require 1500 to 2000 millimeter water. यहाँ पर हमने diagram दिया. Let's discuss this. Like how much water is required per millimeter. Rice 1200 millimeter, wheat 450 to 650, sorghum 450 to 650, maize 500 to 800. Sugar cane requires the most amount of water to produce sugar cane, matured sugar cane. लगभग 1.5 years लगता है इसको मैच्योर होने के लिए. एंड दिस देख लो आप ही. यही पे वही है. Sugar cane needs to be irrigated almost every day. The area under sugar cane increased steadily because between 1950 to 2000. It's cash crop now, so like a farmer prefer to grow this. In Maharashtra, water irrigation has banned the area. Sugar cane has been banned in receive less area, 10,000 millimeter of rainfall, yet production has increased. How do soil topography matter? Marathwada has predominantly clay black soil, regular soil, fertile and retain well moisture, but doesn't percolate down to recharge groundwater. To capture this runoff, Maharashtra has been building dams today with most of the dams country. ये फलाना डिम का दिया है, इतना important नहीं है. The area has been parallel tributaries of the Godavari and Krishna flowing through this river. Krishna महाबलेश्वर से जाती है ऐसे. Okay, next article. Will the Agnipath scheme be revamped? What is Agnipath scheme and what is Agniveer? So we will first, I will tell you what is like this scheme mean. The Agnivat scheme is known as Agnipath. It is like an recruitment program done by Indian government for Indian Armed Force. Indian Armed Force, IAF. So the tenure of this uh, service is for 4 years. It's like short-term service known as Agniveer, and the selection process is like physical fitness, medical, and written test. Post-service opportunity. After completing their 4 terms, Agniveer has the option to apply for permanent service in armed force. A certain percentage of the candidate will be retained, and during this duration they will get degree if they want to pursue any graduation subject. They will get monthly salary and additional benefits, as name as a Seva Nidhi. Skill development will be given like technical and non-technical skills. तो यही है और कुछ है नहीं इसके अकॉर्डिंग। हम देखते हैं क्या है। व्हाट इज अग्निपथ स्कीम हमने तो डिस्कस किया ये। 7 to 21 years, 40,000 per Navy Indian Force, 30 armed force, 30 to 26. What are concern? Yeah, concern. One of the biggest concern of the armed force recruitment, especially in army, is shortage of the personnel below officer rank cadre. This was not recommended during COVID-19 period for 2.5 years, which created deficiency. Around 60,000 soldiers retired for army every year, while 40,000 are being recruited every year. The low conservation rate of 25% for Agniveer to regular soldier going to further accentuate in a short fall. While the huge demand for recruitment into army in some part the country, the scheme became a political issue as well as a campaign issue during the election. What is the current status? Department of Military Affairs DMA and Defense Ministry head by the Chief of the Defense Staff CDS. The official said in a line where regular practice armed force be reviving any measures. यही है बस और कुछ है नहीं इसमें। Oof, sorry. Urban Affairs Ministry to revamp affordable housing scheme. So first let's see this image. Affordable housing scheme. So this Yojana, affordable housing scheme to the citizen of India which come under a low income group. So there are few schemes like Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. What is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana? It has been launched in 2015. It aimed to provide housing for urban poor by 2022. In situ slum area redevelopment, credit link subsidy scheme, affordable housing partnership, and Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana in Gramin, basic amenities to rural families, homeless or living in kacha house. Kacha house means of mud and they don't have the side walls. 2011 में राजीव आवास योजना आई थी, लॉन्च इन 2009. It was subsumed under the प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना. इंदिरा आवास योजना आई थी, DDA housing scheme, Haryana housing board, like various affordable housing scheme in Haryana, it as well as in Kerala also. तो यही है आवास योजना. Let's get back to article now. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban, a scheme to enable affordable housing for poor people, and would be revamped with new features based on learning passed from 9 years since when it has been operation. The Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs is on Tuesday. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana and Urban launched in 2015 has been given an extension till December 2024. Pakka House to all eligible urban household, Urban Affairs to Ministry revamp under the focus no delay in reaching out beneficiary who has been signed up from the scheme. The ministry also announced a scheme for special assistance to the state for capital investment 2023-24 and 22-23. पंचायत देखी है किसी ने? उसमें डिस्कस किया गया है आवास योजना। अगर नहीं देखी होंगी, अगर फ्री टाइम है तो देखिएगा जरूर, अच्छी है। Jal Shakti Mission conceives new project to fix water deficit in Jal Jeevan Mission. So what is Jal Jeevan Mission? So key objective of Jal Jeevan Mission. First we will discuss what is Jal Jeevan Mission. So Jal Jeevan Mission is a flagship program launched by Government of India in August 2019. The primary goal is to ensure that every rural household in India access to safe drinking water by 2024. So it's like universal access to water provided function tap water to every rural household. Ensure that it has access to at least 55 liter of water per person and per day. And the source is like to sustainable water sources through measures like recharge and rescue, and it has a long term availability and quality assurance, the quality which like prescribed quality standard water। हाँ यही है और कुछ है नहीं। इम्प्लीमेंट स्ट्रैटेजी देखा जाए तो विलेज एक्शन प्लान है, लाइक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, ग्रे वाटर मैनेजमेंट, convergence of the other central and states, optimize resource utilization, like funding is like the mission is funded by central as well as state। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलप होगा इंक्लूडिंग पाइपलाइंस, रिजर्वायर, ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स। Various activities will be done like groundwater recharging, rainwater harvesting, and capacity building and awareness। So हम अब आते हैं आर्टिकल पे। लेट्स डिस्कस दिस डायग्राम फर्स्ट। बजट allocation for जल जीवन मिशन 10,998 करोड़। ये पूछेगा नहीं यूपीएससी कभी। बस ये याद रखना कि हमेशा allocation ज़्यादा हुआ है। 97% of people in Punjab has the tap water, 100% in Haryana, 74.6% in Uttarakhand, 87.3% in Gujarat, 100% in Dadar and Haveli, 100% in Goa, 71.2% in Karnataka, Puducherry 100%, Telangana 100%, Andaman Nicobar 100%. Oh my god. To 15th August 2019, 3.23 crore people were using the tap water supply. In 25th May 2022, थोड़ा ओल्ड डेटा है, 9.57 करोड़। अभी तो हो गया होगा 10 plus करोड़। and this is something like which has been improved, the stage has been improved, this all part blue जो दिख रहा है ना, tap water supply has increased in this area। जल शक्ति मिशन। Union Jal Shakti Minister C.R. Patil said the public event on Monday that the government was conceiving a project to ensure the rural household which provide tap water under ambitious Jal Jeevan mission had not been able to get water will be provided potable water. देखा जाए तो लाइक डिसाइड किया गया था 2024 तक सब 100% होगा, पर ये सक्सेसफुल नहीं रहा ड्यू टू बिकॉज ऑफ सम circumstances like water crisis etc etc. So they are trying to provide potable water through tankers and pipelines. In some places, we have not able to fully accomplish the Prime Minister targets. Mr. Patil said, workshop organized by for officer and ministry. Some people say the tap water but no water. We have tap but no water. 3.6 lakh crore Jal Jeevan mission was implemented. अपने पास डेटा है, उसमें दिया गया है 9.57, हाँ 3.6 lakh crore in 2019, and June 25 the scheme has accomplished 77 of its target. Overall 15 crore houses targeted was 19 crore, but 15 crore ही अचीव हो पाया है. 19 करोड़ था यहाँ पे 2022 में 9.57 करोड़ हुआ है, और 2024 में जो 19 करोड़ होना था वो 15 करोड़ हाउस तक ही पानी जा चुका है. लाइक 77% ऑफ टारगेट हैज बीन अचीव्ड. वही डेली कोटा 55 लीटर पर पर्सन पर डे एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. यही है जल जीवन मिशन एंड नथिंग एल्स टू डिस्कस. So Defense Ministry signed 350th contract under IDX for miniature satellite. Under this innovation for Defense Minister Rajnath Singh sir, the flagship initiative of Defense Ministry was signed with Space Pixel technology for development. So this initiative under IDEX and DIO, Defense Innovation Organization, develop small cost-effective satellite for defense application, which are lightweight and compact design, enhanced imaging for communication capability, and applications are for they are using it for the surveillance, resonance and secure communication. आर्मी बेस में सिक्योर कम्युनिकेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि अगर ट्रैक होता है बाय एनिमीज सो ये एक इशू क्रिएट करता है. तो सिक्योर कनेक्शन होने के लिए एक सैटेलाइट इंपॉर्टेंट होना जरूरी है. कोलैबोरेशन विद MSME impact boost India's strategy capability and technological advancement in space. Wherein payloads earlier deployed dedicate large satellite, now miniature. The ministry said the modular small satellite will be integrated in multiple miniature payloads as per requirement, providing advantage such as faster and economical deployment, easy and manufacturing ability, less environmental impact. The contract was changed between Anurag Bajpai, Additional Secretary of Defense Production and CEO Defense Innovation Organization, and Awais Ahmad Nadeem Alduri, founder and CEO of the Space Pixel Technology. ये और कुछ है नहीं. अगर इसके रिलेटेड कोई और न्यूज़ आती है फॉर श्योरली आई विल डिस्कस. IDX मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इनोवेशन फॉर डिफेंस एक्सीलेंस, miniature of payloads, small satellite up to 150 kilo. Okay, water stress can hurt credit profile. Moody stays India among the most vulnerable to water risk country, has the poorest access to service including water among G20 economic. पहले हमें ना ये आर्टिकल हमने डिस्कस किया है वाटर क्राइसिस. So these are both, so I won't be going in detail. Ratings on the Tuesday warned that India growing water shortage and increasing frequent climate changes driven natural disaster aim to rise the consumption and rapid economic growth could negatively impact the country's sovereign credits. So how this credit, economic credit as well as business, the cash crop are harmed. There are been banned in various states like for cash crop because of water scarcity. Currently rated BA stable with the Moody's denotes that lowest in investment grade rating, India is susceptible to increased water stress. Spur inflation in food prices, inflation increase, poorest access, etc. etc. ये तो हुआ like about India's. Let's discuss in world where water stress will be highest by 2050. Project by human water demand to water availability water stress level in 2050. So ये जो brown वाला part है like India, European region, Middle East and this African continent. This this are the area where the population is like the most population and extremely high water stress level in these areas. लो कहाँ है यहाँ पे रेनफॉल ज़्यादा होता है दिस ब्राज़ील एरिया एंड साउथ अमेरिका दिस फिनलैंड स्वीडन पार्ट यहाँ पे तो पॉपुलेशन ही नहीं है दे डोंट नीड मच वाटर हाई इन दिस मेक्सिको वेनेजुला पार्ट चिले अर्जेंटीना दिस पार्ट इज चिले आई थिंक सो water stress. Australia is high stress. So this is overall low, Canada low, Brazil low. यही और कुछ है नहीं इसमें डिस्कस करने लायक. Let's go with next article. Inflation, inflation, inflation. So let's discuss this both article together. First we will discuss what is inflation is. Okay, yeah, हो चुका है cover almost सब. So what is inflation? According to like inflation in India refers like a general level of price of goods and service rises and the leading to the decrease in the purchasing power of the money is measured as an inflation. So there are key measures of inflation. They are consumer price index CPI. So this consumer price index is a price level of a basket of the consumer good and services purchased by household. Represent the cost of living primary indicator used by RBI. This is wholesale price index. So what is wholesale price index? This is major changes in the price of good which goes in wholesale level. Focuses on the price and good trade between businesses. This is based on business rather than household and consumer. This is consumer price index and this is wholesale. तो wholesale material मिलता है जो ज़्यादा के मोस्टली एक बल्क या बिजनेस लेवल पे होता है. So this measure wholesale price and this measure consumer price. Causes of inflation. We will discuss causes of inflation in India. That is demand pull inflation. So what is demand pull inflation? It occurs when the demand of गुड इज इंक्रीज. जैसे अभी टमाटो का प्राइस इंक्रीज हो चुका है तो डिमांड बढ़ चुकी है. एंड इट्स लाइक डिमांड पुल इन्फ्लेशन ऑफ्टन ड्राइवन बाय इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ इंक्रीज कंज्यूमर स्पेंडिंग. जैसे कंज्यूमर स्पेंडिंग पहले होता था 30 रुपए या 15-20 रुपए, अब हो रहा है 100 रुपीज. तो ये कंज्यूमर स्पेंडिंग इंक्रीज हो चुकी है. कॉस्ट पुल इन्फ्लेशन CPI, ये कंज्यूमर अलग है, एक कॉस्ट पुल अलग है. सो इट इज कॉस्ड बाय इंक्रीजिंग ऑफ कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन एज सच एज हायर वेजेस और द रॉ मटेरियल इंक्रीज हो चुका है. जैसे कपड़े के दाम बढ़ गए. कपड़े के दाम कब बढ़ेंगे? जब कॉटन का प्राइस इंक्रीज होगा. तो दिस रॉ मटेरियल अवेलेबिलिटी इज कॉजिंग द कपड़े का दाम टू बी इंक्रीज्ड. टेक्सटाइल प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज हो चुका है, डिमांड बढ़ चुकी है, और इन्फ्लेशन इन this textile production is also high because raw material which is available, it's producing in a high, like inflation raw material में हो चुका है. So this is cost pull inflation. Imported inflation, structure inflation. Important inflation is like currency depreciated at global price hikes. So the things which we are importing, we are getting in a large amount, like the prices are high. And the structural inflation rises like chain disruption, efficiency distribution system, and agriculture's constraint. So ये हुआ what is inflation and different types of inflation. We will study like what are the causes of inflation now. Causes of inflation: purchasing power of money affecting the consumer ability to buy good and service. This is first cause. Second cause, cost of living. Cost of living in big city is very high. It erodes the value of saving. जो saving कर रहे हैं उसका value घट रहा है. Investment कम हो रही है because inflation is so high. Saving and investment erodes हो रहा है. Interest rate. The interest influence of monetary policy decision by RBI, which may adjust the interest rate to control inflations. Economic growth. Higher inflation can hinder the economic growth. Uncertainty and reducing consumer and business confidence. What are the policy to response? अब ये आर्टिकल तो डिस्कस हो चुका है. Focus on reducing inflation. So what are the policies? Monetary policy, fiscal policy, and supply side intervention. So what is monetary policy? The monetary policy is a tool, like the RBI use tool like repo rate, reverse repo rate, and cash reserve ratio to control the money supply and in inflation. Fiscal policies like subsidies, taxation adjustment, and public spending on manage inflation are comes under the fiscal policy. So overall हम सब जान चुके हैं क्या है क्या नहीं. अभी आर्टिकल पढ़ते हैं. K-shaped recovery fueling similar trend in inflation. An uneven K-shaped recovery in economic growth is also fueling a similar trajectory for inflation dynamic, with food and rural price rise outpacing the inflation in other goods, service, and that faced by urban consumer respectively. HSBC research said on Tuesday there has been much debate over India pandemic recovery been driving demand, etc., etc., etc. कुछ है नहीं इम्पोर्टेंट इसमें. Reserve Bank of India Governor Shakti Kanta Das said that Tuesday didn't clear ambitious focus on retail investment 4%, 4.75 to 4.83. ये डेटा चेंज होते रहता है हर मंथ, न्यू डेटा आएगा. ये भी आर्टिकल डिस्कस करते हैं साथ में ही. लाइक इंडियाज एक्सटर्नल डेट राइजेस, आरबीआई डेटा ये यहाँ से यहाँ पे पहुंच गया 39 बिलियन टू 660 बिलियन. सो हाउ द डेप्ट इज मेजर. So what is debt? Like debt in India is managed by RBI, including the various component of the country's total debt, domestic debt and external debt. Like domestic debt में क्या आता है? Government securities, treasury bills, dated securities, state development loan, market borrowing. Government securities is bond like issued by central government. Treasury bill is short term bond debt instrument. External debt होता है like the bonds like sovereign external debt bond borrowed by government from external source, non sovereign bond, public private public external entities from external resources, multilateral and bilateral loans, international finance institution like World Bank and IMF, International Monetary Fund. ये हुआ सब external debts. Key measures and indicators to measure this debts are gross fiscal deficit, primary deficit, debt to GDP ratio, outstanding liability. ये इकोनॉमिक का एक बड़ा पार्ट है, किसी और दिन डिस्कस करेंगे क्योंकि ऑलरेडी अभी 42 मिनट्स हो चुका है. ये आर्टिकल और ये आर्टिकल पेंडिंग है. हाँ, so finance ministry must raise road tape outlay FIO. What is road tape? Road tape stands for remission of duties and taxes on export product. It is a scheme introduced by Government of India to boost the competitiveness of Indian export by reimbursing various embedded taxes and duties which are non-refunded in existing schemes. So what are the objectives? To enhance competitive India exports mechanism, they put some of the duties on trade, coverages, VAT, value added tax, mandi tax, central excise duties, and various or other taxes. How they implement that? Replace of the merchandise export from India scheme MEIS, which was not complete with World Trade Organization. Focus on the fiscal austerity must not come in a way to ensuring zero rating for export, urges Finance Ministry, signaling the need to raise outlay for remission of duties taxes on export products. Road tape scheme in pre-budget consultation chaired by Finance Ministry Nirmala Sitharaman. Federation of Indian Exporter Organization President Ashwani Kumar said zero rating on export is out by policy of government and should not limit due to budgetary constraint. Zero rating export means no, ये road tape scheme से 15,000 crore for भाई यही important जो मैंने बताया वही important. Cotton consumption is second highest in 10 year. हाँ तो के शेप रिकवरी बताना था, मैं भूल गया. So this is like K-shape inflation. Business cycle peak, recession tough, and some part of economic is recovering while some part is stagnant or sinking. तो मैंने यहाँ पे एक बताया था आपको कि लाइक ऐसे ऐसे कुछ एक नहीं वो डायग्राम ऐसे ऐसे कुछ जा रहा है, तो यही है वो. तो कॉटन प्रोडक्शन एंड कंजम्पशन इन डिफरेंट ईयर्स टिल 2021 मेरे को एक डेटा मिला है, has been increased every year. This is consumption of cotton in India and this is export, like कौन से साल कितना एक्सपोर्ट किया गया है. So in news article it says like cotton consumption is second highest in 10 years. Same ministry, cotton consumption of the textile industries in current market season and September 2004 is one of the highest indicates. In press release, the Ministry of Textile, the third meeting committee of cotton production and consumption for this season was held in Monday. फलाना फलाना डिमका दिया है. कॉटन पूछा जा सकता है कि लाइक कंजम्पशन कितना है और एक्सपोर्ट कितना करते हैं, ये बस, बाकी और कुछ है नहीं. सो हमने सारे आर्टिकल डिस्कस कर चुके हैं इन डिटेल. सो थैंक यू गाइस फॉर योर टाइम. प्लीज़ लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और सब्सक्राइब करिए चैनल को. थैंक यू.